Hey, what's up, guys? So, me and Marcel, we just started a pressure washing business from basically nothing. We might be getting a free pressure washer, we're not sure yet. But yeah, guys, we're about to get rich today. Okay, so we just got our pressure washing solution.
Oh, my buddy.
So we couldn't find a good enough pressure washer, so we're gonna have to go somewhere else to get the pressure washer. But we do have the pressure washing solution now, which is good. On our way to Home Depot, just to see if they have a better selection of pressure washers. We found one, 2,900 PSI for $300. Pretty good. This is what we're purchasing right here. Pretty sweet. YouTube. Bah, 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 bah. We just hired our first dude, so we're working with our boy Ashton. He has a truck, so we'll be able to transport everything. But we have Ashton on our team now. We're gonna do a three-way profit split. Marcel's gonna be doing sales while me and Ashton do the work. We just got a gas can. Okay, so we're meeting with Ashton in a little bit to get everything set up with him since he has the truck.
Why? I'm giving you a shot. Oh, go in there. It's in there.
My boy Ashton just got the thing we needed. All right, you recording?
Yeah.
All right, so we just bought hose and one of these hose ends.
It's already good.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had to go back to town to get a truck just so we could bring the pressure washer with us back to my house. So the plan right now is to get back up to his girlfriend's, get the pressure washer, bring it back to town, and then we're gonna start getting business tomorrow morning.